Hi, I'm Jim Kohler. I'm with Spartan Scientific. I've been with Spartan for 30 years now, and I'd like to talk about a new product line that we came out with, which is our Stepper Series. So what these are, we call them our Stepper 12, our Stepper 6, and our Stepper 4. These are a stepper motor married to a rolling diaphragm that is an isolation valve. The only portion of the valve besides the valve body, there's a stainless steel nozzle. It's a guide that helps make it a nice linear flow. And then there's a rolling diaphragm that we could do pretty much any diaphragm material, whether it's Viton Aflast, Teflon impregnated, which is the Aflast, and any other seal material. So what's nice about these are going to give you a proportional flow. It's not going to adjust pressure, it's only going to adjust flow. So by feeding it a 0 to 10 volt, or a 0 to 5 volt, or a 4 to 20 milliamp signal, which would come from a thermistor downstream, a flow turbine downstream, something downstream will tell this how to open and close accordingly or proportionally. The valve, I could demonstrate it using our voltage controller that simulates basically what you're going to be feeding it with. So a thermistor is going to give it a downstream, like a temperature. So if you want to adjust temperature from 20 to 50 Cs, for example, so you want to open it up more, you would turn the knob to simulate that downstream input voltage or current, and it's going to open up proportionally. As you can see here, I opened it roughly 3/4 of the way, so the dial is showing it that it's open 3/4 of the way. And if it's open up halfway, it'll roughly show just like your gas gauge on a car. It'll go to a halfway version. As you can see, when it's amber, it's at its position. It doesn't take voltage to hold it in that position, it maintains it. And as it opens more, it's going to go green, opening. When it gets to there, it'll flash amber and saying I'm there. And then again, closing is a red version. We could also incorporate different colors of lights to act as a diagnostics for it to tell you, hey, something's happening, the valve's bad. But again, we have our Stepper 12, which is quarter, 3/8 or half. 12 standing for 12 millimeter orifice. We have our Stepper 6 that has a maximum of a 6 millimeter orifice, and a Stepper 4, which is obviously going to have a 4 millimeter orifice. We have home switches built into these. All the electronics is built into these. These can be configured as an open loop or closed loop depending on your application. Again, I'm Jim Kohler. I would like to take the time to thank you guys for watching this video. If you need any information, our website is always up to date. You could go on to www.spartanscientific.com, or you could call me on my cell phone at 330-550-3713, and I'll help you and get you in contact with a regional salesperson that will handle your account. Again, thank you.